Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use quick replies for Instagram DMs. If you're using Instagram and you want to use quick replies in your Instagram DMs, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Instagram app and here just tap on your profile option in the bottom right. And here, very first you have to keep in mind that to use quick replies, you must have a business or a professional account. So you just have to tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right. And here, if you have a business or a creator account or a professional account, you must have a creator tools and controls option here. You can see that there's this just for professionals. So you just have to select this option here if you don't have any professional account. So you can easily create that or you can switch your account type. So in creator tools, you just have to select saved reply. So it was quick reply, but it's replaced by saved replies. You must have to select that option here and here just tap on new saved reply, and here you just have to enter a shortcut key. So let's say I'm gonna select this one. You can enter anything here. I'm just entering this one here. Just enter your message, and once you have added your message here, so just tap on this one option and then tap on save. Now what will happen whenever you enter this word into any DM, you'll get this message directly. So just tap on the save option to save your quick reply or your saved replies, or you can add more than one here, just having this plus option in the top right. So once you have done, just go back, and here let's say I'm going to select any chat here, and here you have to simply enter those words and you'll get this type box here. So here you can see there's nothing, just enter the word or the letter you have added. You'll see this box here, just tap on it and your message will be automatically replaced. Now just tap on the send option and it will be sent. So you can add website in your quick replies, you can add much more you want to add. So in this way you can easily use quick replies for Instagram DMs. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.